A. Imagine sitting at your desk, clicking a spreadsheet, typing an email, and knowing that every micro movement of your mouse is actively training the algorithm that might take your job. Welcome to late April 2026. The tech industry is calling it the Great Recalibration, and honestly, it feels like a dystopian sci-fi movie that just quietly became our reality.
It really does. The sheer scale of what happened this week is staggering. We are looking at nearly 17,000 people affected between massive cuts at a major social platform and sweeping buyouts at a leading software giant. But what is fascinating and a bit terrifying is the actual motive behind it. This isn't like the post-pandemic trimming we saw a few years ago.
Right, that was just about cutting corporate bloat. This feels like a direct trade-off. They are essentially liquidating human salaries to foot the bill for artificial intelligence infrastructure. We are talking over $160 billion being poured into servers, chips, and data centers.
Exactly. You are trading human capital for computational capital, and it makes perfect sense when you look at their internal targets. There is a massive push right now to have artificial intelligence handle half of all software development by the end of this year. Tech giants are already admitting that roughly a third of their code is being generated by machines today.
The factory is literally starting to build itself. But let's get back to that tracking concept I mentioned at the start, because that is the piece that really gets under my skin. The idea of tech employees being treated as, quote, biological training sets.
It is a jarring phrase, but entirely accurate. Tracking software is now logging real-time keystrokes, mouse trails, and screen grabs. The corporate spin is that it's an accelerator to help digital agents learn how to navigate complex business interfaces by mimicking human workflows.
So by simply doing your daily job, you provide the muscle memory for an AI to eventually replace you. It's like getting paid to teach a ghost how to haunt your own desk.
That is a brilliantly dark metaphor. They promise this tracking data isn't for performance reviews, but the broader reality is undeniable. Humans are being used as temporary scaffolding to build the ultimate automated worker. Once the building is finished, you just don't need the scaffolding anymore.
Which leaves us with a profound dilemma as we wrap up today. If our daily digital habits are just fuel to automate our own roles, what happens when these algorithms finally graduate? Are we innovating ourselves completely out of the economic equation?
It definitely makes you look at your keyboard differently. Every single click is a lesson. The real question is, what exactly are we teaching it to do next?